Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, you know the youth we always says, look at your thumbnail. So you can look at that sister. Yeah, she's a Jamaican woman. And you can say, just look at her. From looking at her face, you can know that she's in pain, agony. And you wouldn't believe who are behind the pain and agony. She has been targeted for success. The envy of Jamaican women, of a Jamaican woman. You have bad mind police officer, called sweet grape sour because they could not eat it. So because of that now they've been taking set on this woman. And she have enough. But not only the police, but other women. And they don't know what this woman have been through in her life. But, Jamaicans are the epitome when it comes down to envy and hatred. They hate people who are successful. Because most of them, that they are lazy. They don't like to work. And they like to... And because the sister, she's very attractive. So that they think that whatever she gets, she gets it through nefarious means. And, if you're a woman out there, whether you have children or whether you're married or not, and you're successful, just feel proud of yourself. Don't let your detractors say anything to you that will hurt you. But the worst thing about it, especially with some women, is like when you work hard and you know that you have done everything, you play by the rules. Then people is trying to tarnish your reputation, but you don't allow people because by giving them credence and allowing them to get into your cranium, they are going to continue. So we'll tell you that, the main reason why police officers in Jamaica, they are taking set on this female, it's, is because they are just bad mind. When I use Jamaican, like them just straight bad mind. And most of these police officers know that they will never, as long as they're a police officer, able to buy a Mercedes-Benz in Jamaica, unless they rob or them find a woman like she, and because she's not dating any of them, that's why they're taking set on her. And I can bet you that she has turned on many of them. I know 2 police officers that I used to work with, and I can tell you that they are the epitome of bad mind. Yes, a former assistant commissioner of police, Derek Cowboy Knight, and another one, a detective inspector, Donovan O'Connor. These are 2 police officers that I used to work with, that they hate say young people or anyone, especially driving within the garrison and driving a nice vehicle. Just by driving that nice vehicle alone arouse their suspicion, so they have to harass the person. And worse, if the vehicle is not in that person, they would seize it to extort them to get money. That's how they do them things. So, what this woman is saying, my heart goes out to you. And I had received this video from Tuesday, but I decided that, I'll do some justice for you. I don't know you. I don't know your background or anything like that. And, people don't pay us to do video. We don't do that. You understand? So, I want you, our loyal viewers and subscribers, to watch. You watch, you listen, and you decide, because this lady, she's going to tell you what's been going on with her. And then we'll come back and we had to the conversation.
You know, I'm doing this video in tears. Like, today is the second consecutive day, right? I'm driving and the car that I drive is an issue, and the story is always say I suck cocky fi buy Benz. I'm coming from nothing. I'm coming from nowhere. Hungry, I'm barefoot, I'm poverty, I'm a store. I'm not afraid to share my story. I'm not share my story when I reach at the top. There was a time when I was sharing my story. When I cry, when I share my story, now I share my story. I don't cry anymore. But right now, I am just really hurt because I don't know why Jamaicans hate themselves. I don't know why Jamaicans feel like, say, you're not supposed to aspire for anything. I grew up in a community named Buxton, far up in a Brownstown, St. Anne, way up in a rural hills. Hungry, barefoot, I'm a store, but I know say education must be the way out. And so, I try. I never the brightest in anything what I do. I understand, but I put my best effort in every single thing what I do. Right? I tell St. Hilda's when I St. Hilda's are hungry and barefoot on my store. Some days I have to choose whether me I go to school or my sister go to school because I one pair of shoes by the time I reach to when exam time, one pair of shoes left and it will wear the same size, so I have to borrow fear one. You understand? Me done Hilda's. Me don't know how me I go reach, how me I go further because my parents not have it. Right? I go come see, I do a year I come see, and then I get in a teacher's college. I'm getting a teacher's college. Birchell Whiteman was the first man who give me $6,000 for pay towards my school fee. That time it was $14,000 for studying in 1997 at teacher's college. And then one next lady, Phyllis Mitchell, she give me a check for $10,000 to help out. Friends pull up and help me finish up my first year with the student loan. The second year and final year I Chartered Teachers College. I graduate. I get several different job offers, but I take the one with nearest to my house by then. I get thrown out from St. Anne when my father dead, my family, my relatives throw me out, and my mother come from Red Hills and we move and go live at Red Hills. You understand? My siblings them up on the floor were homeless. My grandfather have one tank. Another tank. I put on the roof, man. And we in there, you know, out the door, the road was a better flooring than the roof, than the floor of my house. And I in there, so I stay for a few months. And I done calling me start build my first house in Red Hills. My house done in a few months. Because I grew up in a board house, so I never do one board house. I do a concrete structure. Understand? But then I teach for much years, right? As I say, you know what, I'm a dream to go to UE. 5 years later, I go to UE. When I go to UE, I'm so hungry and poor. I apply for student loan and then I give me it. I'm going to go to ministry and tell ministry because I'm on no pay leave. Tell ministry, take back on the leave because I cannot afford to live from Red Hills and go to UE a morning time. So ministry start paying me. I understand, I'm going to take the leave towards the end part when I would have done you with 2 years. You understand? I complete you, I'm going to get complacent. I get complacent. And for 13 years, I done 2007, for 13 years, I aspire for nothing in education. I try to build myself. Another time, then I go turn soldier. I spent 7.5 years in a JDF. You understand? And then I asked to be discharged. You understand? When I done, JDF, I said, what am I going to do now? I open one shop on my gate, one board shop on my gate. You understand? I do the shop, I said, this is not enough, I'm going to take up taxi. I said, this is not enough, I need more, because I need my kids to be better off in a life. You understand? And so, I decided to say, alright, I go to my master's in 2020, my roughest year, and my brokest year. I do my master's, I pay Michael 100 and something thousand in my first year. I'm not paying no more, and so till I'm done, I need the certification. Somebody take a chance, Because me do the masters, I get the job at a university in Kingston. And I feel juggle doing the masters, teaching at the primary school, and I teach at the university. You understand? I'm going to graduate. I'm going to graduate. University take me. I decided to say, no, I need to change my vehicle. Buy one Mercedes-Benz. I come like the worst thing that I ever do, because every day somebody see me is like, I'm not supposed to be in it. I cocky me suck and all kind of something. Forget to drive Benz. I'm gonna say, if you can do that for drive a Benz, why everybody not drive one Benz? I'm tired. Yesterday one man abused me on the street, hit me after he lit my vehicle. He actually hit me. You understand? Today again, I just park the place full up. I'm a park. I come now to let out the man is a big argument. Why the place empty? I'm a park. By then the place was clear. You understand? I must block him. I'm a cocky me suck for my Benz. God almighty, I'm just so tired. I drive on the street, the police them must stop you. Oh, you could afford to buy this car. Come on, Jamaican, you need to love on yourself. When you see people aspire for things, when you stop taking it from people, when you don't know what people go through. I want a law-abiding citizen. If my one colleague look for me today, even though she might have mean it as a joke, she said if a man to go be me come from, if me kid a scamming, and I tell her all of what I do over the years. I'm 40 odd. I teach from me at 20, I graduate from college. My head hurt me. I'm tired, yo. I want to give me a break, yo. I want to give people a break when I see people I live their dream and I don't know the things. Sleepless nights, me have a night time. After 1, me have to up, I work. Teaching never done. When you're a teacher, it's never done. You have to mark scripts. Me a lead out, me have to guide my team. Come on, give me a break. I'm tired.
Yeah, boy, I can tell you, that's a very touching story. But look here, sister, let me tell you this. I don't know you and you don't know me. And based on your background, we're coming from pretty much, I can relate to you in some way. You understand? Coming from nothing and reaching somewhere. Number 1, you don't let nobody break you. Number 2, based on your background and your training and all of these things, you're not supposed to make no man put them on you out there. Remember that you're a farmer, member of the Jamaica Defence Force, so that you were taught self-defense. You live in Jamaica, and as a woman, you're supposed to be in a mindset, always thinking about your security. You don't make no man because you're a woman, him feel say you're weak and them thing there. And look here, I tell you this as a man, apply for your license on man to protect yourself, because you're a very attractive young woman. You understand? And the reason why I am really doing this video, because I have a little sister who's a teacher. Yeah, she used to go micro and all of these things. And when I was a police officer back in Jamaica before everybody migrated, you understand. So I can empathize with with you, what you're going through. But don't let them break it, because you see what you have done now. This is what they wanted, So look, as you have said, and you're an educated person, and they're saying that I suck you suck this and suck that. Yeah, well, tell them, say, hey, well, since as me suck it and get and can buy a Benz, why you not go try to find a good one for suck to? That you have to do, so reverse psychology. Remember, say you used to do it and them thing there. Because sometimes it's not that you want to go down to their level, but sometimes you have to just meet them down there, because that's the only language them understand. You have to understand, so you know that you're right. Number 1, the people them where you work on right now, or even say them bad mind you because I Benz, me I tell you that. And guess where it come from? It come from this thing where everything you have to do with politics, where them say, yeah, if a man have 2 cars, you have to give him 1 of yours. Me no believe in that. And you're supposed to know where it come from. Yes, so you have your Benz, you don't forget them to ride out it. And look here, you have to make people know, say, hey, look, me work hard for my things, and you don't give a rat's ass what people want to say. That is their business. And look here, your children, them supposed to be your world. Whether you're married or not married, that's another people's business. And the police will stop you you are a former member of the Jamaica Defence Force, you're a law-abiding citizen. And if a policeman rude enough, yeah, and this is what you need for them. I tell you this now. I don't know you. Make sure in time the police them stop you then. Since as them are, you feel that you're being targeted because of the car that you drive and because you're a woman. Well, record them. Record the police them and see what happens. And send it to Jamaica Young Police and we expose them. Because we know say a lot of bad mind police out there. And thief, me I tell you. Because I used to work around them. Them don't like say people, you know, showing the farmer success. Because them want, most of them, you know, most of these policemen. Yeah, because most of them, they are from poor background. So when I grow up, and I'm telling you, you know, I don't have that experience, but I am telling you, you know, listening to them, you know, work with them in a vehicle in a night. Some of them, when they grow up, them parents have 3 or 4 of them, and you know, and them are complaining. A big man, them now in a good work, and them are complaining how them grow. Their mother and father 1.5 dumpling them get, and I wanna get 2-1. And you listen and you say, oh, what kind of people them this? So them have that mindset now. So because of how they were treated when they were growing up, them feel say, boy, people supposed to have it as bad as them. And like for you with your success story, yeah, nothing wrong for share it with the world and them thing, eh? Because every man have them story, you know. But even keep repeating it to them, it's not going to change their mind towards you. What you must do, just ignore them. Don't give a, hey, don't care what people want to say about you. I can tell you this, even, you know, that's why you see right here, you know, I'm very authentic. I don't try to be something that I am not. Right through my life, I have never done anything nefarious. You understand? And all kind of people have said all kind of things about me, even on the internet. And because I haven't done certain things as yet, I haven't met, you know, people. Some people believe, but if people want to believe, that is their business. I know who I am and the kind of person I am. So you know that you are not doing all of these things that they're saying. So you just ignore them. You know, so moving on. So Jamaica, in a country where poverty is harsh, is a harsh reality for many. One Jamaican woman defied the odds, and that's you. Yeah, man, you work hard, got an education, and became successful. Now, you live in a beautiful house and drive a luxury car. But your success has not gone unnoticed. Women and police officers are targeting you out of envy, jealousy, and bad mind. They can't stand to see someone rise above their circumstances. So them hate for say, them hate for say, take bus, down a bus stop, and you sweat up, and you have Benz, and you wind up, and you have AC, and you not beg nobody nothing. I know that's all that too, and you look good. Your 40s, you understand what I'm saying? And enough men who say, oh, I only want to share them thing there. I saw a fact say when him can't get the grapes, him say it's sour. So don't make that bother you. Because I know say every day your men eat on you and them thing there. But you have to be conscious as a woman. You understand? They hated you for being successful. But you remain strong and resilient. You knows your worth and won't let anyone bring you down. So we know that the best remedy for jealous people is because success is your greatest revenge for your detractors and the ones who hated you for the success you has experienced in your life. And no amount of jealousy can change that. So the next time you see someone achieving their dreams, remember to celebrate them and not tear them down. Jamaicans are too bad mind. Yeah, so if you have reached this far, listening to the us at the Jamaica Young Police channel, yeah man, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, yeah man, and click the notification bell and select all. Remember, give the video a thumbs up, yeah, and comment below, share your thoughts, how you think that this sister, that she's been hurting. Yes, share your thoughts, how you feel about it, Because we know Jamaican people are straight bad mind people. Because one thing we not hold no balls to nobody. We just tell you as it's a real mama, papa truth. You understand? So remember to comment below. If you haven't joined the Patreon squad, yeah, go on the subscription window and join the Patreon squad. You'll be able to see a video that others can't see due to the nature and the content of the video that cannot be posted to YouTube. So join the Patreon squad and you'll be able to see this video. You'll be able to murder cases and stuff like that where suspects have been known, not arrested and charged with murder and all of these things like rifle, one British. And the reason why we mentioned in here because they are like celebrities back in their time when they were alive in Jamaica, in the dancehall world. So moving on. So I was talking to someone, and this is what they're saying. So they're saying it is unlikely, that police only target the woman and police and women that's jealous of her and out of sheer envy. So we explore the inspiring story of a Jamaican woman who defied the odds and achieved success, only to be targeted by jealous women and police officers out of sheer envy. So this woman, growing up in poverty, this woman faced numerous challenges but refused to be held back by her circumstances. You hear the woman talk about why she live in a township, but hey, look, honestly, yeah, some people don't like when people talk about them past, but hey, look here, I can tell you, that's why when I tell people, I must tell people certain things. Some people, sometimes you have to just keep back some things. So when I tell the youths them, say, choose the book over the gun. I have many reasons why I've said that, you understand? Because I am from a community where that was a way that easy. A man feel like, no, that's why we said the book. You understand? And this woman, she work hard and she know the sleepless. Hey, look, anytime you go to school, how hard you have to study to get a degree, especially all a masters. Some people are buy them degree, other people do it for them. Them do it online. Because when you're having a conversation with them, you can't believe that this person is that educated. It's just because somebody is educated means them intelligent. And you can see that this woman, she work hard. You understand? So through hard work, determination, and a relentless pursuit of education, she rose above her humble beginnings to live a life of luxury in Jamaica. Now as she enjoyed the fruits of her labor in a beautiful house and drive a sleek car, she faced an unexpected hostility from those who cannot handle her success, straight jealousy. So join us as we delve into the complexities of envy, jealousy and bad mind and the lengths some Jamaicans will go to bring down someone they perceive as a threat. So because she drive a nice car, them see her as a threat, straight bad mind. So don't miss this powerful story of resilience, perseverance and the harsh reality of success in Jamaica. So this woman, she has been targeted for her success. The envy of a Jamaican woman. Bad mind police officer called the sweet grape sour because they could not eat it. Them can't get the grape to eat. That's why them said that. So so this is a very inspiring story. So that's why we share it, because we love positive story. But although it's positive, it have a negative connotation to it, because you can see the hurt in our face, in our voice and on our face. So that's why we are sharing it with you, for you to, if you can empathize with her or sympathize with her. But we want her to know, so we are the Jamaica Young Police Channel. We celebrate you. So stay tuned for more inspiring content from our channel. The other women and police officers target her solely out of envy, jealousy and bad mind. So we're just going to give you a breakdown how women, jealous women, how them behave. So jealous women can be jealous of other women's success. But it's uncommon for this jealousy to manifest in such a coordinated attack. There could be more to the story, like underlying conflicts or misunderstanding. Yeah, and it's just simple. In Jamaica, especially with women, you see, because Jamaica are predominantly black people, African people, dark people. So, like with she, so she brown, yeah. And I tell you what go on them thing there as Jamaica. She brown, but she not have tall hair and them thing there. She not, you understand, she not wear, she not have long hair. Or, you understand what I'm saying? Some people, you say tall hair, tall go up, or long different from tall. But, say, as Jamaican and them thing there, yeah, we use, with language in a different ways. Because you have to communicate with even the same little man where feel like say he's not a part of the society, so you have to talk in his language to make him understand. So police and jealousy. Police officers are trained to be impartial. But I can tell you in Jamaica, a lot of bad mind police are some bad mind and thieving people in Jamaica. I tell you, them stay just like the old carousing them. Some of them have on the uniform, but them and the police attack them a criminal. I tell you, used to work with some of them, and even hear some bad luck story from Jamaicans who live in America and visit Jamaica and all, especially ex-police officers, how these young police officers treated them. It is very astounding. Because I remember as a young police officer, if you stop a policeman and him say, I'm saying my ex-police. Yes, you normally show him respect and, you'd have a conversation with him or her, you understand, because they are a former member. And, although the person is a former member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, you would treat them as such, but we don't know why these young police officers would want to treat, people who have served the organization with honor, courage and commitment. As for me, I cannot say I've had any bad experience with the police officers in Jamaica after I had left the force. Even when I visited Jamaica a few months ago and, was there just for a short time. I was stopped once, but I didn't even, at no time I did not let them know that I'm a former police officer. They were very cordial. That was on the North Coast. So, that's how it is, you understand? So, a police officer, they are trained to be impartial. Unless there's a legitimate reason for suspicion, not based on success. It's improbable, doubtful and implausible they target someone out of jealousy. But we understand, you see in Jamaica, police, you don't need a reason to stop somebody, and like in America, police in Jamaica, them just target vehicle because of high-end vehicle, because them expect drugs are going to be in it are illegal, something illegal. But what most police don't understand, and we are teaching this. You see vehicle them with, especially high-end vehicle. If I don't know, a man, hey look, in Jamaica, anybody can go around with all kind of gun and all them things. So nothing is wrong with police doing them job. So you understand? All you have to do is just comply. So we are so here are some possibilities to consider. Misunderstanding. The woman's sudden success raises suspicion. Some people might don't know her from in time. She has struggled and I go through her little things them step by step. Because in life, if your life not improve every year, something is wrong with your life per se. Because you understand, we just tell you that from personal experience and when I compare our life with others, but people supposed to expect in them lives, this year supposed to be better than last year. And that's how it is. So, she feel like she wants to drive a Benz, she just go and take out her loan and drive it. Well, maybe because she don't tell the police them that, and you understand what I'm saying. So, me have a car payment, or you understand what I'm saying. Where you have to pay the credit union or the bank. In Jamaica, the best place to borrow money from the credit union, because you get a lower interest rate. The bank, no. I never borrow money from the bank yet, because I don't play with them. You know that from growing up in Jamaica. So, prejudice. Yeah, sadly, there can be bias against women, especially those who achieve financial success in non-traditional way. Highlighting her legitimate path can help. So, when the police ask her, Why I mean, know, all police can ask people them question in Jamaica, oh, you buy a vehicle. Really? Man, that's kind of... I don't remember in time when I was a police officer, that was not a question that you ask someone. It don't really matter. The only police them do that are normally bad man and thief in police them. Like Ox and Cowboy and them thing and them talk loud, especially Cowboy them talk loud and them want everybody to hear the person business. And some people easily feel embarrassed. That's why people don't like them, like police. You know, some police. Honestly, during my years as a police officer, I have never seen someone driving a vehicle, and because of the price of the vehicle, I feel that no, I don't know, you know, me just different. Hey, when I drive with Ox, when me and Ox used to work, and him say, this is a theme thing. Hey, the vehicle, and then you'd feel like a gunman or something like that, not knowing say, and then you see him do it over and over, and you realize that it's a pattern. Him just bad mind, and him not like to say youths, especially youth them come from the ghetto, them go far and make them money. And you know say, hey look, the first thing I'm doing him go far and make some money. Him not even buy a house and them thing, then buy a car. And him park him BMW in a lane with the zinc. And you say, oh, them come by that thinking. But I just saw it go because there's a theme for us we are showing success by buying a car instead of buying a house. And that's how the bad mind thing come in with the police them. Bad mind the youth, and boy, him shouldn't have it. Me, you know, as someone who's coming from there, you know, I know, 9 out of 10 times, we know say the first thing him do a foreign and buy him car. So I don't know our business because him not commit crime in our jurisdiction. So, and I don't work on narcotics, so you understand? And it was none of my business how him come buy him vehicle. I'm not bad mind people. Never have and never will. Yeah. So them know, them want to know people and them hold on the people, them vehicle, seize them vehicle and detain them and tell lies and them wanted a foreign car through them want to shake them and fit them style at Ox and Cowboy. So targeted harassment. If there's a genuine threat, documenting everything and seeking legal help is crucial. But you know, in Jamaica, not really, you know, I can tell you this as a man, and you're a very, you know, attractive young lady. This video is really directed to you and other women, and people who are experiencing kind of thing. Yes, anytime a policeman stop you, you know, whether I'm nice or not nice, just smile. Smile. Come I tell you this between me as a man. Just by you smiling with him, and you're not being serious. Because if you want to be serious, him attitude change. If you want to smile, the conversation that he was about to have because of that smile, you change his mindset. So him just say, him start to ask you, always are you? Ask him, so how's your day, officer? You know, you understand? Ask him about the weight before him start talk. Just be conversational. You are an intelligent person. You were a member. You are a patriot. You served nearly 7 years of your life in the army. So more or less you are an officer. Use your skills. Don't make people push you around. You can't come in them years away in the army. I don't say you weren't a push around. So you make all man go assault you and them thing and make him go on. Apply for your license gunman. Protect yourself as a woman. I know police women, you know. I know two of them. Although you know I haven't spoken to them still, but I don't know how they're woman them, you know. One of them although she had a flower still, but sometimes them say it's not the outer appearance, it's the inner appearance. You understand? If you get what I mean. One of them she have flowers. And you know when a woman black and she look good, she really look good. You understand? She, you know, I tell about two detectives. One of them leave the police force and one still serving. When I talk no corals and I talk, you understand? But I just saw it go. So just apply for your gun. And me I tell you say the one now was she an officer. Yeah, me not talk for years. She done narcotics and them thing there. That was my friend, but I just saw it go on them thing there. Me never do anything, but hey, you know, some people I just saw it go. Hey, look here, if you're not genuine, I just saw it go. You just always you can't be authentic when you're fake. Like me, you know, me's not a fake, me's a authentic person. Me and your friend, me not go disown you, and me not go hear people say things about you, and me not defend you. Me and your friend now, me not defend you publicly, privately. That's why I can tell a man, there's, yeah. Ivan Thompson, who am I recruiter. You understand? Ivan Thompson, John Gaz and Dudley Bryan. I care people say about them three men there, you know. Whether in front of me or in front of them or behind them. Nobody can get me to say nothing bad about them, you know. Me I defend them, you know, because I know them. Yeah, people say all kind of things about Ivan Thompson. Well, you know, something with them say are true, some might not true. But I just saw it go. People say things, but me still I go defend a man. I still I go defend them because I know the kind of person they are. And I saw it go on them thing that when you respect people and you know them, you know the kind of the person's reputation, them integrity and them character, you don't let people tear them down. Whether in front of you, whether in front of them or behind them, you defend them at all times. That's how you know your friend. That's why I can tell you, you know. A brother with me and him used to work on them thing there. Although me I'm not talk. I can tell you, yeah, Bobby is my friend. Because him no care what happened on them thing there. Yeah, him never throw me an eye bus. Yeah, you understand? Because him know me and me know, and I know him. I just saw it go. And him are not hypocrites. Well, I just saw it go. People are going to be people and them thing there. And you know, say all the people get on them thing there. Some people stay the same or some not change. But me not change. I just me this. I'm not forget where I come from. So I tell this woman, this young lady, yeah, seek support, you know. Yeah. You know, confide in a trusted friend. Or, you know, you say your father died dead. Boy, I tell you, you've been through a lot and you're strong. You don't even know your strength, but you have that resilience. Don't make them break you, man. Me know say you have enough fight now and them thing there. But at least, hey, look here, sometimes you have to just let out a little steam because it's enough. All of us in our life will go through different period of our life. But may I tell you this, and just listen what I am saying to you. You know, say you're supposed to love read. And may I tell you, I don't know if you ever read them. You say you used to live a Senton, and may I tell you my biggest hero, a Senton come from Marcus Garvey. Just read them 2 Marcus Garvey book. Marcus Garvey said, you're going to learn a lot from that little book. You can't read half that in an hour. Marcus Garvey said, a great book. Go to Kingston bookstore and them sell it there. Marcus Garvey said, and then you buy the other one, the philosophy and opinion of Marcus Garvey. And trust me, may I tell you this, sister, is when you read that book, the book there, nobody, no detractor, no jealous person, them can't break you. You are going to dictate what mean in your life. And look, you don't even care what people say about you. Trust me. That the book there, that are your guide, your roadmap. Just like how you know, say you have a manual of operate a fridge or a car. This is the manual with deal with your life. Remember it, Marcus Garvey said, and the philosophy and opinion of Marcus Garvey. Read Marcus Garvey said first, and you're going to learn something about black people, same Jamaican people them. When Marcus Garvey ran for the KSAC against a white man, the black people them, you know. So just listen to me. So what you're going through is nothing new, you know. Marcus Garvey told the same Jamaican people them, you know. The white man in a long time them I use belly full for catch black people. A long time them I do it. And when Marcus Garvey ran for the KSAC seat, the white man cook, listen, you know, sister, curry goat, white rice, dumpling, green banana, and a cup of white rum. Just one day, you know, and a 5-year term for the person to go up on his KSAC seat. And guess what? Marcus Garvey tell him, say, look here, I am not going to give you any food for one day, you know. The things that I'll do when I go to the KSAC, make you be able to eat your kind curried goat every day. You know them vote for the person who get them one belly full. And Marcus Garvey tell him, say, you get what you want for 5 years, that belly full of food. So you're not supposed to look back to the white man for anything, because I'm already give you what you want. Him knows say I just a belly full you want. Forget your vote. So don't worry about them. Ignore them. Let you be the tractor. Them be the one that give you, that empower you, man. Give you that strength. So, you know, you can document records of rumors, accusation, and police interaction. So you just do them thing them, and you can use them as a reminder for sure the things them that you have been through. You can address rumor if comfortable. Yeah, you can address them head on and emphasizing the source of your wealth. Yeah, you can let them know, look here, not because I look so on them thing now. You feel say me I suck this or me I suck that. Since as you feel like say that me do for do it, why don't you do it? If you're even a man, I say it on them thing there. And most of the time when them I say it, because of ignorance, bad mind. I don't know if you even answer them, but you can, don't give them no credence. With the police and them thing there, them are supposed to ask you that about, if you're a scammer and them thing now. What kind of scammer that? Them them that are over the top, and that's rude. So that's why I need to record the police them and them thing there, and I send it to me, man. I expose them. Cause we don't like thieving police, and bad mind police. So remember, achieving success, shouldn't lead to such negativity. It is essential to find the root cause and address it strategically. When someone works hard for whatever they want, for their comfort, especially a female who has studied very hard, was born and raised in poverty, and even experienced homelessness, and then achieved some form of success in buying a lovely house and a car, then had a woman and men alike are jealous of her by saying that she gained her wealth through nefarious ways. No, man. I mean, also when in the army you work good money, because the officer them in the army, them work better, I don't know, them can want to get more benefits than even the police, and police know that, especially officers in the army. So what they have done has broken her to a point that she's crying and asking for public help and intervention. And that's what we are doing right here at the Jamaica Young Police channel. This is our way of helping and intervening. So the best way, to advise, this female who's tired of being labeled the most disgusting names. It's heartbreaking to hear about someone facing such undeserved criticism and jealousy, especially after overcoming significant challenges to achieve success. So we'll give you some piece of advice, because sister, if anybody over here, so if you're not learning anything, you're at the wrong channel. You understand? So, we're going to offer you some advice, you understand, support and guidance. Stay true to your values. Remind yourself to focus on your values and principles. You have achieved success through hard work and dedication. It is essential that you stay true to yourself and not let baseless accusation define you. Remember, seek support. Encourage yourself. Encourage yourself. And surround yourself with a robust, authentic, strong support system, friends, family, or mentors who understand your journey and can provide emotional support during difficult times. And look here, you see your father, family, them where that have done that to you. Yeah, it's when you attack, you have to name and shame them too. Yes, make people know. And look here, don't let them back in your life. Don't forgive them. You forgive them, but you forget, but you don't want them around you. Because them never want, I jealous of you guys, So them couldn't wait. You see, as your father, as your father depart this earth, them difficult, bad mind people them. So you're not supposed to help none of them or none of them pitney. I tell you that. You understand? Nobody tell you about the Bible and this and that. When people wicked, you have to treat them as such. Yeah, you love them from a distance. But I tell you that. Because them will kill you. Ignore unnecessary negativity. We suggest that, you ignore the negativity and rumors. Don't dwell, don't make it get to you. Listen to some Bob Marley where music will empower you and them things. Nobody listen to jump up music or no love music or something will weaken you mentally, because love music put in that thing with love. You have to listen to some rebel music. Even some Capleton, some music will give you chills. You understand? So, keep out the detractors, them out of your head. Make them live in your brain for feel free. So not everyone would appreciate or understand your journey, and engaging with basis accusation may only escalate the situation. So you just ignore them. you don't know how you achieve your things. So you don't have to prove anything to nobody. You understand? So if the police them want proof, I don't know if them can lock up people for vehicle when them have if they prove or lose. Cause to me, that's a bad mind law where Peter Phillips did come up with. I tell people that them thing, I say, oh, for any government we about to prove or lose, a bad mind thing that's you know how we might target. I see poor people them, but I show you them fooling. You see poor people them in time them come up with this law, say prove or lose. PNP come up with it in a bad mind, So them no want, so because you poor and have a nice car or a nice house, they want to know how you buy it. If you can't prove how you buy it, them take it from you. Straight bad mind. But guess what? Most of them don't know that. Because them can't think. Yeah, so when I was in Jamaica before I migrated and when me hear about Islam, I said, no man, so me step out, I support them people. A bad mind, prove or lose. A white man law that. You understand where, where them use say, take away. People where them claim say, gain them wealth through nefarious thing. You understand? For me you understand, from a man in a violence and them thing there. Me never grudge people for what them have. You understand? Them have them laws, so me never did like that part. Prove or lose thing. We're against money laundering, trying to involve in a criminality. So yeah, and if people, assess some things, say harm your reputation or well-being, you can consult a lawyer and get help to determine the best course of action. But guess what? If you sue some of them at Jamaica, it's like waste of time. Because say court of Jamaica take all 30 years for Anglo one case. So, Jamaica, that's why you have so many murder in Jamaica, because the justice system is a joke. If you feel like this thing get to you too much, seek some professional help. And as a woman and everything, it's the best for you. But hey, you see a counselor, and get some counseling, get some therapy to help cope with the emotional toll of the situation. Because we can see it, and it can affect you mentally. That's why you're crying and you ask out for help. So that's why we offer our help. Because right now we are doing this when we're supposed to be doing something else, but we don't know you. But you are our sister, and we love you just like how we love our neighbor, our sister, same way. Because you a human being like we. You understand? And we think is a different sex. But we still love you because we see you, everyone as equal. You understand? So, yeah, consider crafting thoughtful and measured public response addressing the false allegation without giving them undue attention. Sometimes providing clarity on the truth can help counteract misinformation. So you can't just make them know, say, hey, look here, I'm telling you this, me never sought nothing for this or that, And look here, if me even not sought nothing on them thing, and me go buy Benz. If you want to buy Benz, go and go find somebody for suck to. And you just tell them that. And you make them know, say, me never sought nothing. You understand what I'm saying? Oh, all them things they become a part, normal things in Jamaica. Hey, look here, as a youth, all them things they grow on them something. All them things they, man, not indulging in them something there. You bowcat business now, sir. You're mad. Hey, because number one, as anything, if you do that, no woman has no respect for you. Because she got to tell her friend, say, boy, man, I don't know what them did. So you can educate others. Encourage, yeah. We are encouraging you can share your story and the lessons you learn. You may inspire others and dispel misconception about your success by sharing your journey. And you need to focus on self-care. So we remind you to prioritize self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is crucial during challenging times. This might involve engaging in activities you enjoy or taking a break from social media. Yeah, you can avoid them things there. Remember, empowerment through positivity. So we encourage you to focus on positive aspects of your journey in life and use experience to empower others facing similar challenges. Building a narrative that highlights resilience and triumph over adversities can be empowering. We know that the situation is challenging, painful, and very difficult for this woman. And we are give, as we tell you already, we give some advice and we are give you some more. So acknowledge your feelings. Validate your frustration and hurt. So let her know it's unfair to be judged after all she has been through. But I tell her, don't let them win. These jealous people try to bring you down. We advise you to hold your head high and focus on your accomplishments. Focus on your support system. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people celebrating your success. You know, and they're only negative people, them. Limit negativity. It might be time to distance yourself from those gossiping or spreading rumors. You know, so Jamaicans, them full of them things, the propagandize. Especially like how you're a woman and you look good, and them see you and a man attack more one time. First thing them say, why, you know, say him and a car and them thing. And sometimes that I furthest thing from my throat. You understand? And so Jamaican people stay. You know, respond confidently. A confident that simply not true can shut down rumors if, you know, you feel comfortable. So when people say things and them things, and they must say, boy, yeah, I suck this. You just say, look here. That go against everything that I believe and support in life. I don't believe in, if God did want women to suck man, you know, man thing, God would have put that in the man and the woman mouth. You understand? God wouldn't put that between my leg and them things. So me no go down there, sir. You understand? Yeah, you just make them know that. So me no go down there, so and them things. So you don't have to cry. You understand? You just make them know. Say, hey, the only thing when that you do is to go right way to go. And that's why me have one or how many children. You man make them know, lock them down. Yeah, so you just do that. You account them. You know, so you don't have to share your journey publicly. You know, if you want, also, you know, we tell everybody you can't share it publicly. But look here, the best thing is to do, live your best life. Don't let them stop you from enjoying your success. Remember that. Professionalism and integrity. Maintain the highest professionalism and integrity in all interactions, within and outside your workplace. Consistently demonstrate ethical behavior can help dispel unfounded jealousy. So don't give in to them. You understand? Communication, if comfortable and appropriate, consider having open and honest conversation with those expressing jealousies. Sometimes misunderstanding and miscommunication can be addressed through dialogue. So them they don't talk all kind of things, boy. You just tell them, say, hey, look here, even I heard that you have been saying all these things about me, that I've been sucking this to. Look here, I can tell you this. I don't know about you, but I don't suck nothing. Anything that I'm sucking, it has to be like a candy or something like that. I don't suck nothing. Anything that has to do with that, it has to go where it's supposed to go. And when I'm getting it, I'm the only person that getting it. So I don't know what you're talking about. So you make them put it in place and say, well, maybe because you have experience of sucking things and you didn't achieve nothing, you know, that's why you think that I'm doing it, but I have never done it and I won't. So if you want to go and do it, that's fine with me. That's your life. You understand? You just make them know that. Remember, self-promotion. Promote yourself. Don't shy away from celebrating your achievements and success. However, do so humbly and inclusively. Give credit where credit is due and acknowledge the collective effort. As we say, while them chasing out after your father dead and you did homeless. You understand? So you still be humble about everything. Remember, and remember to empower others. Encourage and uplift colleagues. Although you do it still, enough of them jealous and them thing, Me experience that, with people who are close to me. Never realize that them jealous of me and them thing, because I am a very authentic and genuine man. But as time goes by, I realize that the same people them where you think where you have them interests at all, them jealous of you and them thing there. And them never mean them just everything with the relationship is what's in it for me. So after that, over time, the relationship, you go realize that the person fake. You understand? And that's why people use it. I've been used so many times. So that's why, can't be used no more. So just remember that. You understand? So remember, foster positive and supportive environment. You contribute to our workplace culture where success is celebrated rather than met with jealousy. Remember, you have to establish boundaries. Yeah, in America and them thing there, even your kids, them we tell us, boy, you have boundaries, because them teach them at school, you understand, it depends on where you live, no matter whether you live in a liberal state or a conservative or a racist state, You understand? Although the whole of America racist still, not all the people them, but some of them. We just tell you. You understand? So you have to clearly define professional boundaries. You make people ensure that personal and professional matters remain separate to avoid unnecessary conflicts or misunderstanding. So when people talk about your personal life, you just say, look here, that's off limit. You know what? You understand what I'm saying? You just shut them down. You understand? You tell them, say, enough is enough. Your life and how you live your life, that is your life, that is your business, and you don't have to share your life with them. And if you want, they would be a part of your life. And focus on your growth. Concentrate on personal and professional growth. Continuous improvement and commitment to learning and can be powerful tool overcoming jealousies. Just remember that jealousy often stems from insecurities and misunderstanding. Approaching the situation empathetically, maintaining professionalism and seeking positive solutions can help create a healthier work environment. So if the jealousy involves police officers, addressing such issues through appropriate channels within law enforcement structure is crucial. And we can't tell this in Jamaica, and I think it makes sense. It's unnecessary for you even go report the police because them pull you over because you drive a nice car. As I said to you, every time them pull you over, just always maintain a smile. Don't vex. I drive a nice car. Yeah, that's one of the main reason. And go, sir. Well, you might think that I main reason, but I can't tell it too. The other reason is that maybe police, him see you from far, you look good, and he might try to look you. I tell you, because I saw them enough police there. You understand? Yeah. So them see you drive a nice car. So one of the best way if you have to keep them on, let's make sure you have one ring like you're married. If you don't want no police are hit upon you and them thing there. Although some of them don't care still, I tell you that. So in situation, so we can continue to offer empathy, understanding and practical advice is essential to help you overcome your challenges and emerge stronger. We just want you to use your inner strength. You understand that strength that you use to overcome all of the obstacles that you have been through in life. And sister, in case you don't know, you're a very strong black woman. And just keep it up, man. And you're very beautiful, attractive, hardworking. And just keep up the good work. Don't let them break you. What does I tell you? And Ross, you are a soldier. So you're supposed to be mentally tough. But we know that at times people have a breaking point. But this is the point now where that breaking point that you're supposed to well it up, make it stronger, so no more breaking point that's supposed to be there. So you're listening for somebody who have been a police officer and been a they must say we are soldier to them thing. Somebody with a military background, training and everything. So mental strength is the greatest asset. And those of you who have experienced the same, we know that most people now go follow, listen to the video until the end because, some people them have short attention span. But as we said before, this is not an entertainment channel. So have yourself a beautiful day. And sister, stay strong and stay beautiful, man. Remember, so we are root for you and we are on your team. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.